Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are taking you to Epcot, and we are taking you on a ride called Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. It is a ride based on you being shrunken down to the rat size and showing their adventure and how they get around and get food. It's actually kind of fun, and sit back, relax, and well, come along with us and let's have some fun. It's very cool. It's very nice. I love oversized things. Me too. I am a rat. That's a big rat. Oh my god. Le chef Kevin is ready for you. This one. Qu'attendez-vous? Ah, ma mère. Les invités pour le dîner.
On n'aurait pas idéal. En commun? Non. Simple, huh? Too simple. Mais oui, that's it!
What are you doing? Que manigocez-vous?
gâteau et bon appétit. Et oui, non? Au revoir.
Waiting for you. Right this way. You are always welcome at Bistro Cheri-Awesome.
Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.